Gemini got a massive update this week where it can now generate Google Docs, slides, sheets. It can work better with PDFs, CSV files, so on and so forth. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use all these new features in Gemini with real use cases. And if you enjoy AI, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. For starters, I have an image of notes here, and you can see just like a bunch of notes about chemical bonding. We are going to go back to Gemini. We're going to add in this prompt here, which is pretty simple. Please take my handwritten notes about chemical bonding and turn them into an organized PDF. And now we're going to upload our notes and we can hit submit. And Gemini now has the ability to actually read through all your handwritten notes and literally turn it into a PDF where you can just like one click download it. And it's kind of wild how it's able to do that all in one go. And to be clear, I know ChatGPT has had this feature for a while, but Gemini's works with Google's own tools. So if you're in the Google ecosystem, this is extremely helpful, especially when you're working with like Docs, Sheets, and Google Slides, which I'm going to show you shortly. So you can actually see here, our PDF file is now done. It's transcribed our handwritten notes into professional, structured, highly organized document. So we have like clear structuring, scientific formatting, so on and so forth. If we click it, we can actually see our PDF. So you can see what it looks like. Comprehensive handwritten note transcription, and it goes through, and this is our entire note, but it's like a little bit cleaner now, and our handwritten note is now a nice PDF. And you can see it even like did some nice formatting around different scientific parts. It is really cool. So like that one page became a 4-page PDF, and we can just click here, and now we can just download this to our computer. We can take the same PDF, we're going to upload it. We're going to add in this prompt here, which says, take the PDF and turn the data into a nice organized Google Sheet. So we have the ability to go from like any data format into another. So we can go like handwritten notes on an image into a PDF, or we could edit it to a Google Slide or a Google Sheet, or we can like mix and match whatever we want. So it's done it already. We can click here and it's going to open up our Google Sheet. So you can actually see our topic, key details, and example formulas, and it was that quick to turn data from like one format into the next. So again, like any of these formats can be turned into any of the other formats. There's like endless possibilities. So far, all we've done is generate PDFs and Google Sheets using existing data, but it's Gemini. We can also generate data. Say we're here and we put in this prompt, create a Google Doc with 30 multiplication questions. I want the answers on the last page. So you can see it's connecting to Workspace. It is going to create a Google Doc this time around, but with actually like questions that it made up for us. We can do this with any type of data. So instead of going to Google Docs and like manually typing this up, we can see we have like problem number 1, our question, and we can see we have like different problem numbers. So we have up to 27 on one page. And then if we keep going down, it goes all the way up to 30. And here's our answer key. So we just made like a nice little worksheet just that quickly, that easily. And you can literally create Google Docs about like anything. And it has the ability, again, to use Gemini, to use all the different things, all the different tools that Gemini has access to, and like combine them in to make whatever you want. So this time around, create a Google Doc with the history of space travel and with cited sources. So you're going to see, again, it's going to connect to Workspace, and this all happens relatively fast. So it's like way quicker than doing anything else, but you can see the history of space travel, and we can just click it, and boom, look at this. A nice little Google Doc, and here are our sources that we have at the bottom that are cited. This time around, I want to show you with a CSV file. We're going to actually use a CSV file to feed in data, but then we want Gemini to work on top of the data we feed in, kind of combining the last couple of examples. So you can see here, we have a CSV file, and this is just a list of different industries that exist. So we can actually come here, we're going to put in this prompt, I have provided you a CSV file, or I'm about to, gonna upload it, with a list of industry names and create a Google slide with each industry and a sentence about each. So now when we upload the industry file, it has the ability to just use the data that we uploaded, as well as use Gemini, collect all the data, and create a Google slide for us. Our slide is done generating, and you can actually see it on the right. So we have like slide 1, slide 2, and it's just kind of go through each and every slide with all the different industries that I've provided. You can see what it all looks like. We can click up here, export to slides. So we can export it to slides. We can actually hit open slide, and you're going to see that everything you just saw is now on a Google slide with all of the data that is editable. So it's no longer just on Gemini. it is now a full Google slide where we can go through and like we can modify any of the text. You can see the little icons that it made. We can like say, okay, we don't want this one, let's delete it. Or we want to make this little icon bigger, we can do that as well, because you're able to modify anything. So as you can imagine, there are a lot of different use cases for Gemini's new update, the ability to generate different files and work with different files. You can now export and create Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, PDFs, CSV files, text files, the list goes on. And it's really cool because you can actually take a lot of your own existing data and then like convert it to any of these different formats that exist. Let me know how you're using this one in the comments below. If you guys enjoy AI, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.